How to use the Scale command in AutoCAD. Welcome back to Sonic Tech. In this video, you will learn how to use the Scale command in AutoCAD. The Scale command in AutoCAD allows you to resize or rescale selected objects, keeping the proportions of the object the same after scaling. It helps you to adjust the size of your drawing objects to fit the desired scale or unit. Click on the Home tab. Modify panel. Then the Scale command. Or you can type SC in the command line and press Enter. Specify a base point for the scale operation. The base point you specify identifies the point that remains in the same location as the selected objects change size, and thus move away from the stationary base point. When you use the Scale command with annotative objects, the position or location of the object is scaled relative to the base point of the scale operation, but the object's size is not changed. If you click the Copy option, you can create a copy of the selected objects for scale. Then, specify a scale factor that multiplies the dimensions of the selected objects by the specified scale. A scale factor greater than 1 enlarges the objects. A scale factor between 0 and 1 shrinks the objects. You can also drag the cursor to make the object larger or smaller. Or you can choose the reference option, which allows you to scale an object by specifying a reference length or a point, instead of a scale factor. For example, if you want to scale a rectangle to match the height of another object, you can use the reference option to select 2 points on the rectangle that define its height, and then either enter a new height value or select a point on the other object. This will scale the rectangle proportionally to the new height.